Hey everybody, it's Chris from Big Tex Ordnance, and today we're talking about a few things that we've got here on the table for this week's weekly update. So let's start right off the bat with the brand new Unity 4X Fast Magnifier. This is really revolutionary because we're talking about a mount and a magnifier integrated into one, and they did some last minute design changes and included the fast detach lever that way you can swap it in, swap it out, whatever you need depending on what mission set you're looking at. Switch it in between guns, but really cool. It's at the fast height, which is 226 I believe, and really good optical clarity on it. It's got sucky eye relief, but all magnifiers have sucky eye relief, so really excited about these. Also, something that we just brought on board here is the Holosun HS515 GM Optic. It's got a red dot or a circle dot, whatever you want, or reticle, EOTech style reticle in it. Over 50,000 hours of battery life. It's got a solar panel backup on the top. It also comes with sacrificial lens covers if you like those things. And it's got a hex flash kill hider already installed from the factory. Really cool little optic that I've got set up on another Unity 226 riser here. Aimpoint T2 footprint, awesome little optic, save you some money, super durable. Really excited to get some rounds through with this on this gun. Next up, we've got on this setup is the Flow 556K FDE variant. It's a flow through suppressor. Really like this can. Really good sound suppression. Not hearing safe, of course. It is a K can. It is 556, but awesome performance out of this. Get all that gas out of your face. Kill that signature a little bit. We've got a ton of these in stock in FDE and black currently. And last but not least, well, actually we got one more thing before we shift to barrels. FDE Duramags in one of my favorite colors in stock on the website right now. Last but not least, we got a fresh shipment of 14.5 6 max barrels in from Sons Liberty Gunworks. These are the precision barrels. These things are killing it. 6 max was killing it at QP a couple weeks ago. These barrels are super accurate, super awesome deal. I don't think you're going to get a more accurate barrel at that price point. Definitely not in 6 max, because I think Sons is the only one running 6 max barrels right now. There might be a few other variations, but anyway, 6 max Sons Liberty barrels on the website. Flow 556Ks and FDE in black. Duramags, Unity magnifiers. Got them. BigTexOrdnance.com. Check it out. Let us know what you think in the comments. Let us know if you got any questions. Like and subscribe. Appreciate it.